Bangalore. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and the person you see behind me is someone who's been called mad for weeks. Me, Nagraj.
Protected line activated.
Monkey.
Nagraj is a person who lives in Bajal, and when he saw this condition of the national highway near the bridge of Netravati, he couldn't stop himself doing something about it. He took a step, calling his colleague Vani Shri. Nagraj and Vani Shri both are members of Hasiru Dala and APD Foundation respectively. Together they started a campaign called Namma Netravati Namma Javabdari. And now comes the best part. They came every morning 5:30 a.m. out in the cold only to observe what people do. And when they saw people passing by throwing trash,
Why that and why?
they talked to them asking what was the reason to do so. They got many reasons, such as the garbage truck doesn't pass by their homes to collect trash, and by the time the truck arrives, everyone is left for work. So they dump it here because everyone's doing it. But little did they know, they were not only polluting the land, but it also has affected the Netravati river, a source of water that reaches to thousands of houses in Mangalore. Nagraj and Vani did a water test of the river, and to their shock, this water used in thousands of houses is becoming somewhat poisonous, which could get anyone sick. The fishermen also tell that they don't get fish anymore in this particular area, and slowly it is getting worse and nobody is aware of it. But Mangalore, you know what they say, where there is a will, there is a way. Nagraj started from ground zero, holding a signboard for more than a month every day, starting from 5 a.m. till 9 a.m. At first, he was called stupid, crazy and mad. Whoever came to argue with him that this will not work, he replied,
ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕಸ ಬಿಸಾಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಬಿಸಾಡದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ.
And this attitude of his kept him going to the day that now hundreds of people are waving hands at him, saluting him, because he believed that he could make a change. And now people have stopped dumping waste, but we still have a complaint that there are a few people left who dump trash after he is gone. So there is another step taken by Hasiru Dala and APD Foundation, where Nagraj and Vani's family and friends are uniting to clean this area this Sunday 20th February, and they are trying their best to spread more awareness around the country. So we need your help to support and join them this Sunday 20th February, or at least share this story to let people know the story of Nagraj. So no matter where people are throwing trash, let them feel that Nagraj is standing there in the cold to give the message that only we humans throw waste that nature can't digest. That's it for today. Until next time.